Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So we're in the new family vehicle. You know, my truck's back at the house. I did not get rid of my truck. I'm not getting rid of that thing unless I find a better truck. But that truck has been a good truck. It'll still get down and go. But right now, we just got this, and we're having a little bit of issues with this, mainly with the headlights. The other night, we was driving, and it's happened about 4 times. We was just driving down the road, and all of a sudden, boom, no headlights. Which is kind of scary when you're on a 4-lane highway surrounded by semis and other cars doing 70, 75, 80 miles an hour, and you're in the fast lane. All of a sudden, boom, the only lights you have is side markers, tail lights, and fog lights. You know, so I hurry up and flicked my high beams on. They worked. I turned them back off. Boom, still no headlights. I was like, what the crap? Well, apparently, all TrailBlazers 05, 06, 07, you know, all of them have the same issue, and there was a recall on them, but I was talking about there is no actual fix for it besides just changing a relay. So I just went ahead and bought the relay. I'm gonna change it, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to change, is the relay for your low beams. And I'm not gonna just put it in and be like, okay, video's done. No, I'm gonna put that in, and I'm gonna test it for a few days before I say, oh, job's fixed. Because I don't know if it's gonna be fixed properly, even if I put the new relay in. I'm hoping it does fix it, but we'll find out. I'm gonna put it in, drive it for a week, and then tell you. Then end this video. Right here, just take off the box. Number 46 right here. These two is 10 amps. I've checked those. I previously checked everything else, all the fuses. These ones for the low beams are good. These ones for the low beams are good. This one here is the one. It's number 46, and 45 runs the clutch fan. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna replace this, put this new one in. New one's in. Now I'm gonna start it up, see if everything works. Alright, since I changed the relay, it's been about almost 2 weeks. I asked Wanda, I couldn't remember. It's been almost 2 weeks since I've changed the relay in the car, and we've had no more problems with the lights shutting off. Everything, like the timer for the daytime lights, actually goes on and off like it's supposed to now. You know, when it's set on automatic, you know, they come on when they when it starts to get nightfall, they go off during the day, which before we changed the relay, as soon as you started the car, they'd stay on. But, you know, everything has went back to normal with our headlights like it was supposed, like it was when we first bought it. And it just started acting funny. But that's going to be this video, because everything's back to normal with it. And I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a video.
You're getting all hung up on imaginary problems. You gotta focus on what's real, man.